Hi guys, this is Anshika and I'm back with another really interesting video. If you've seen my last video, you know that I've talked about 10 different campus ambassador programs for college students, and one of them was the Yes Style Influencer program, and a lot of you guys were really interested to know all the details about that campaign. So here I am, and today I'm going to be telling you everything in detail about this program, and I'm really sorry for all the background noises. I will try to fix it while editing, but if I'm not able to, please bear with me. Now before starting the video, I would really like to tell you a bit about Yes Style as a brand. So YesStyle.com is an online retailer that sells Asian beauty, fashion and lifestyle products. The company was founded in 2006 and it's based in Hong Kong. So basically it's like every other online platform like Myntra, Ajio, etc. They deliver their products to India as well, and they have their influencer program for Indian influencers and for the influencers from different countries as well. Now talking about the criteria to get selected for this campaign, they haven't mentioned anything in specific. They've just mentioned कि आपको इन पांचों में से किसी भी एक सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म पे आपका अकाउंट होना चाहिए, एंड दीज आर ट्विटर, टिकटॉक, पिंटरेस्ट, इंस्टाग्राम और यूट्यूब. अब बहुत लोग कंफ्यूज होते हैं कि क्या हमें पांचों में अकाउंट होना चाहिए, तो इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. इन पांचों में से किसी भी एक में अगर आपका पब्लिक अकाउंट होगा जिसमें आप अच्छे से कंटेंट पोस्ट करते हो, तो यू विल बी एलिजिबल फॉर दिस कैंपेन. इसके अलावा उन्होंने कुछ भी मेंशन नहीं किया एज फॉर द क्राइटेरिया. वंस यू फिल द फॉर्म, दे विल रिव्यू योर अकाउंट एंड डिसाइड इफ यू आर सिलेक्टेड और नॉट. They haven't mentioned anything apart from this, so I would really suggest you to post good quality content on your social media platform, whatever you have selected, Instagram, YouTube, Pinterest, whatever you have selected. Post good quality content on that social media platform. Now by good quality content, I don't mean कि आपको एक अच्छा सा fancy setup चाहिए. No, it's not like that. Even if you have a decent quality phone, not even iPhone. I am shooting this video right now with an Android phone and just my tripod. So I don't mean you need a fancy setup for all the good quality content. You just need a decent quality phone, and that's it. Now I'll tell you how does this actually work. So first of all, you will receive a confirmation email from their side if you are selected, and with that confirmation email you will also receive a rewards code, and that reward code is your personalized coupon code that you can share with your followers and subscribers. And अगर आपके followers या subscribers उस कोड को यूज करके परचेज करते हैं कुछ उनके वेबसाइट से, तो यू विल रिसीव अ कमीशन, एंड उस कमीशन को आप यूज कर सकते हो टू प्लेस एन ऑर्डर, या फिर आप उसको कैश आउट भी कर सकते हो जब वो टोटल $20 हो जाएंगे. नाउ देयर आर 3 tiers in this program. The first one is Rising Star, then Star and then Superstar. To proceed to the next tier, आपको एक सर्टेन अमाउंट ऑफ रेवेन्यू जनरेट करना होगा अपने रिवॉर्ड्स कोड से. आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट कमीशन हेयर. कमीशन एंड रेवेन्यू आर टू डिफरेंट थिंग्स. रेवेन्यू इज द टोटल amount of order placed through your rewards code. I will give you an example as well. For example, I give my rewards code to a friend and she places an order of $5,000 using my rewards code, and the criteria to move on to the next tier was $5,000. So वो criteria मेरा fulfill हो गया, उसने $5,000 का order place किया. तो even if the commission that I've received is $500, that doesn't matter. यहाँ पे हम रेवेन्यू की बात कर रहे हैं, तो जितना भी रेवेन्यू का अमाउंट वहां पे शो हो रहा है आपको नेक्स्ट ईयर में जाने का, उतने अमाउंट का आपको ऑर्डर प्लेस करवाना पड़ेगा यूजिंग योर कोड. आई डोंट नो मैंने कितने अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन किया, बट आई होप इट्स क्लियर, एंड इवन इफ इट्स नॉट, यू कैन कमेंट डाउन बिलो. आई विल ट्राई टू एक्सप्लेन इट बेटर नेक्स्ट टाइम. यहाँ पे उन्होंने एक टेबल भी मेंशन की है फॉर बेटर अंडरस्टैंडिंग. आई विल अटैच द स्क्रीनशॉट राइट हियर. द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज हाउ लॉन्ग विल द प्रोग्राम रन. सो एज आई टोल्ड यू, देयर आर 3 categories. There are 3 tiers in this program. The first one is Rising Star, Star and Superstar. So for example, I'm a star right now. I'm in the star tier, and मैंने अभी मार्च 2025 में स्टार्ट किया है. सो टिल द नेक्स्ट ईयर मार्च 2026 तक मैं स्टार कैटेगरी में ही रहूंगी, एंड इन द मार्च 2026 वो आपका अकाउंट रिव्यू करेंगे, एंड अगर आपने वो क्राइटेरिया फुलफिल किया है रेवेन्यू का, तो यू विल बी अपग्रेडेड टू द नेक्स्ट ईयर. अदरवाइज यू विल बी डाउनग्रेडेड टू द प्रीवियस ईयर, दैट इज द राइजिंग स्टार. एंड ये 12 मंथ्स वाली चीज सिर्फ स्टार और सुपरस्टार कैटेगरी के लिए है. राइजिंग स्टार में अगर आप हो तो वो आपकी मेंबरशिप कभी भी एक्सपायर नहीं होगी. अगर आप रेवेन्यू जनरेट नहीं कर पा रहे हो टू रीच टू द स्टार कैटेगरी, तो आप राइजिंग स्टार हमेशा रह सकते हो, एंड इट नेवर एक्सपायर्स. बहुत लोगों का ये भी क्वेश्चन होता है कि 12 मंथ्स के बाद हमें भी कुछ करना पड़ेगा टू गो टू द नेक्स्ट कैटेगरी. तो ऐसा नहीं है, आपको सिर्फ रेवेन्यू जनरेट करना है, एंड आफ्टर 12 मंथ्स वो आपका अकाउंट रिव्यू करेंगे. एज आई टोल्ड यू, अगर आपका रेवेन्यू उतना जनरेट हुआ होगा तो यू विल बी अपग्रेडेड, अदरवाइज यू विल बी डाउनग्रेडेड. वेट, गो एंड सब्सक्राइब टू द चैनल राइट नाउ, एंड आफ्टर दैट ओनली वील मूव ऑन. लेट मी नो व्हेन यू आर डन. Now comes the main question, what do we get in this program? So as I told you, you will receive a commission if anybody places an order using your code. But other than the commission, you will also receive free products from them every month. And Inke products like Korean beauty and skincare products are top notch, as we all know. You will get all those products for free. But here's the thing. The products are for free, but the shipping charges are not. You will have to pay the shipping charges. And as these products are imported from other countries, I'm not sure कहाँ से import होते हैं, Hong Kong से या फिर किसी और country से, but the shipping charges are a lot. ऐसा नहीं है कि shipping charges are just 100 or 200 rupees जो आप देख के product ले सकते हो. The shipping charges are between 1000 to 1200 if I'm not wrong, and I agree that's a lot. If you can give the shipping charges and claim the product, that's good for you. But if not, I have a solution for that as well. I'm going to be telling you everything in a while. But before that, let me tell you how to claim that free product. When you open the app, in the account section, you will see a section called influencer. Click on that and then go to the sponsored products. And if you scroll down a bit, you will see 3 product options. You can select one of these. And for example, if you want to get this eye cream, click on get it now and you will get a thing like confirmation thing. अगर आप उसमें agree करते हो तो वो eye cream आपके बैग में automatically add हो जाएगी and उसका amount आपको 0 दिखाएगा बैग में. But shipping charges are still there. So for that, some creators get a personalized shipping code जिसको apply करते ही उनके shipping charges भी 0 हो जाते हैं. But the catch is not everyone get this code. I don't know what is the criteria और किस किस को मिलता है. There is one more way by which you can make the shipping charges 0 is by shopping for rupees 8,000 or more. If you're willing to get the products for yourself, then that's great. You will get a free product. But I've seen so many people texting in groups like we'll place a combined order or something. So सबका amount add करते करते that will become 8,000 or more. So shipping charges will be 0. I have never done that, so I don't know how trustworthy that is. You can try it on your own risk. The next thing is how to add your Instagram or your YouTube. So if you go to the account section, just below the sponsored products, you will see an option called channel status. Go to add and then select the social media platform that you want to add and you will be able to add it, like put the password and your email, and then the social media channel will be added. One last thing that I wanted to tell you is there's a refer and earn kind of a thing in which if you send your referral link to potential influencers like who are willing to apply for this campaign, if they apply using your referral link and if they're selected, you will get $10 as a commission. But before that, the influencer needs to fulfill at least one order using their rewards code. For example, I give you my referral link and you apply for that and you're selected, I will receive $10 as commission. But before that, you would need to fulfill at least one order using your rewards code. Like आपको एक order place करवाना पड़ेगा using your code, and after that only I will receive my $10 as commission. And we can only do maximum of 10 referrals each month. And yeah, that's pretty much it about this campaign. If you have any more questions, you can leave them in the comment section. I will try to answer all of them, and I will also give you my referral link in the description box. You will be able to apply for this campaign using that link only, so check it out. And yeah, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope this was helpful for you. If you did, hit the like button and share this video with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and I will see you in the next video. Bye.